better though. The scab on my face fell off this morning, so there's only a little bit left. After spending 10 days exploring the Bali area, Ubud, Kuta, and Canggu, we're making our way out to Balian Beach. We've stopped here to pick up some cash to bring along with us, as this place is really local and doesn't have any cash points. And we've also stopped at the shop to grab some snacks. We're really excited to explore this area, especially after having a big scooter accident on day 2. We're hoping we actually get a chance to truly explore Indonesia in the way that we have hoped. So join us. Got our snacks, which is pretty remote. You got the money for him? Okay, so we've just arrived. Very beautiful, love it, and there's cats everywhere. So let's take a little peek in here. So this is our hut. Nice little sitting area here, very good internet. And this is the bathroom. There we go. Very beautiful. It's like indoor, outdoor. Wow, babe, look at the bathroom. I didn't even look at it yet. Wow. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Look at the bathroom. We didn't even look at it yet. So they've got the table. This is the shared kitchen area. Comes with everything. We're able to use the little fridge here. Very nice. This is definitely my kind of vibe. Definitely. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, I knew
Yeah.
I've been trying to do that for 5 minutes.
Cat whisperer. We got some chickens. Hello. Hello, roosters. Hello, chickens. Hello, doggies. Got a cow over there and some roosters. So now we are currently in Balian Beach area and in the little village of Balian. Leon's hopping along. And yeah. So we are going to go down this way to try to find the water and see the sunset. Very cute. So there's a little restaurant here. And a little restaurant right here, which we will definitely try, but we're going to go for the sunset first. But so nice. Very cute. Very local, very beautiful.
It's beautiful, eh? I mean, you know, it's the kind of place that, like, you wouldn't know unless, for us anyway, like, unless you go online and find these places. Because kind of you have to drive all through these back roads, but when you find it, you just realise what a hidden gem off the beaten path.
Exactly.
You know.
That's what we're here
really
for,
cool.
is to show you guys this kind of stuff,
Yeah.
right? Like, so that you can find places like this to visit as well.
And this is why Jen is so amazing at planning, because she finds all these incredible places that most, you know, most sites don't necessarily showcase as well as maybe it was. Airbnb, this one?
Yep.
Yeah.
So this is just the end of the road. The beach is down here, right to the left. And then just up here is the restaurant to find the sunset. So the beach is down here. And the restaurant for sunsets up there. You want to go down, check it out? You sure? Can your foot handle it? All right. can check this place out after. Obviously, there's accommodations here too. Wow, look at this. Yee. Oh, that's what they said, eh? Yeah. Wow, incredible. So we think that there's a little restaurant up here that it's good to see the sunset. So we're gonna go check it out. Look at this place. It's incredible. Incredible.
What is it? Is it that building up there?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we're gonna go down to the little hotel, get a drink, because this sunset spot is only open at 6. Look at that water. Okay, so this is a little hotel. We'll get you guys the name. So it's just around the corner. We're gonna come and get a drink here. Yeah, well, we can eat here and get a drink, and then so they have a good menu here, so we could either grab a bite here, as Leon was just saying, pork belly is what he's desiring. Hello, hi.
Look at this table. Let's sit there.
Won't be comfy on the back though. But you want to sit on the edge here? Oh, the wagon wheel table? But you know what I mean? Like there's no back support for your foot. Maybe on, with these ones are better? Yeah, that's no back. It is, yeah. Okay, so we're here and it's so nice. The prices are way better. We're talking half the price than in Canggu, like easily. Like the average meal on here that I can see is like 60 to 70K. And in Canggu, it was like 150K. So
Yeah.
Look at the view. It's the same ocean, better waves. Look at mine. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at this.
What you got there, babe?
So beautifully prepared. I don't know, I didn't have the menu, I forgot. but it looks delicious. You might need to help me though. And I might need one of your chicken wings. Just like.
Trading.
Wow, that is.
But yeah, I know what you mean. I mean, we are not fans of him at all. But having said that, it wasn't.
The yoga area. It's amazing. Look. For meditation, for chilling. Perfect yoga spot. And your perfect baby. And your perfect baby. Yeah. I mean, what more do you need? Going in here. Hi, thank you.
Yeah.
Oy.
American breakfast it is. Fantastic.
What are you gonna do?
American breakfast. Oh, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the roughage salad and some garlic bread, I think, for me.
There is the nasi goreng. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so from what we can see so far, there's about maybe 5 different little restaurants in the area, which is really awesome.
Yeah,
There's the one we went to last night. There's this one here. There's one across the street from here. And then there's 2 that are tucked near where our Airbnb is. And it's all 5-minute walk, literally not even 4-minute walk. And
Currently a 10-minute walk, but
yeah, that's circumstantial. Yeah, and then of course the beautiful ocean is right here. So,
yeah,
and the prices here are really great. You can find just a good range, you know. So yeah, so far so good. We love it here. We're definitely planning to come back here and stay for a month in this specific exact area, even the Airbnb.
I got a nasi goreng with chicken, and it's like basically traditional Indonesian rice with some vegetables. And yeah, it's the second one I've had here. The last one was in Ubud, so it'd be nice to compare the two, like considering they're like, you know, different regions. So.
And this is fantastic. This is like garlic bread, but it's like roasted onion and garlic with cinnamon. It tastes like beautiful. Hi. Not too shabby a place to work, eh, babe? My backpack has been everywhere. It's been to university with me. It's been all over the world with me. And I think it looks pretty beautiful on his back. Hello. 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 Hi. Hi. Oh my God, I love it here. I am totally obsessed. Totally obsessed. I love it. I'm obsessed. Hi.